What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel and thank you for tuning in. So what are we getting ourselves into today? So we're gonna be looking at what you need to know before you change the steering wheel on your F150 to a Raptor steering wheel. So a lot of y'all get this steering wheel because y'all want to use the paddles and stuff like that, because y'all probably want to go fast, or you want to go fast, or you want to go fast. So maybe you like it, I don't know. But what I did today is I just bought a steering wheel, right, a Raptor steering wheel, and it didn't come with the paddle shifters, which I didn't want it to come with the paddle shifters to begin with. And the reason why is because I'm tuned, and there's no point of me having the paddle shifter, spending that extra money when I'm not even going to use them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change my steering wheel. I'm going to do all the connection, all the little things. I'm going to swap it out, and I'll order a carbon fiber bezel for the steering wheel, which is going to make it look, you know, a little bit better, a little bit more like a Raptor, I guess, if you will. So what my goal is to right now is to like give you some knowledge and maybe save you a little bit of money, because I know that a lot of people, they're not really expecting to get their trucks tuned and then it just goes pointless. So maybe you can save that money and actually get just like a carbon fiber steering wheel or something like that. I don't know. That's going to be your decision at the end of the day. But what I'm going to be showing you is why you don't need the paddles. And check this out. Alright, guys, so I'm getting ready to show you what this truck is about. So if you put this truck in manual like that, right, it's going to start shifting by itself. Once you drop the pedal to the floor, you're just gonna freaking go. And I'm about to make a quick pull right here. And this is why you don't need the paddle shifters, because when you tune your truck, it's gonna shift by itself. So right now, since I'm basically done racing, the only thing that I have to do is just put it back into drive and you're good. So in case you're wondering why is my truck doing this, is because it's tuned by Old Motor Labs here in Houston. So if you want to go get tuned, then there you go. But I'm getting ready to swap the steering wheel. This is the before. I did change the center console to a jump seat. And I did like, at one point I did like that it was all black, but you know, after a while of just, you know, freaking driving it, you obviously get tired and you want to change the look of your truck. So that's why I'm going with the steering wheel. And also because it's getting cold here in Houston, and yeah, we are babies when it gets cold. So my plan is to get the heated steering wheel at one point. So that's probably what I'm gonna do next to this truck. And yes, I do need an alignment, but let's install the steering wheel. Alright, guys, so as y'all can see, the Raptor steering wheel is installed, and I don't have no paddle shifters. So now, you know, that I have the Raptor steering wheel, I went to Amazon and ended up picking this bezel for like 20 bucks, I think it was. So it has like double-sided tape, and you just pretty much, you know, just go in there. But this is what it's gonna look like at the end. And this is what I'm saying, guys. This is 180 bucks total, like steering wheel, and then the 20 bucks on this, because I paid like 160 for this. That's what I'm saying, like 160 for this. I'm gonna put a link on the description on how to install it. All right, you guys, so we're out here testing the steering wheel. Definitely feels different. And man, screw them paddle shifters, you don't need them. One thing I wanted to mention is if you get the Raptor steering wheel and you don't get the paddle shifters, you are gonna have a hole on the side. I'm not sure if you can see it, but it's there. And to be honest, I don't care about that, but there is a bunch of steering wheels that you can get that they're like the Raptor, like they have like the sporty look and they have the leather, or they have all like carbon fiber, like over here, and they're way cheaper, guys. I'm gonna put an example right now on the screen so you can see it. But with that being said, it's time to go. So thank you for watching, guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.